Hello, sir. How are you?
Doing all right.
Other architects. Peter took
Indeed.
Thomas here.
Hi, Joanna.
Thomas here.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
How you guys doing?
Thomas, nice to meet you.
Hi.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, Joanna.
Yeah.
Good to see you guys.
Yeah, likewise.
How things going?
Going well?
Daniel? How you doing?
Good.
Good. Having a good time?
We're just walking around and seeing what's going on.
So you guys are based out of Chicago?
I'm in Colorado. We're in Lubbock.
Yeah, you guys are all
We're
over.
a global company.
Yeah,
I'm in Orlando. You said Chicago.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
We're all
Yeah, I
over
was
the
thinking about one in
country and
Phoenix
the
too. So.
Where are you guys based?
We're based in Phoenix. We
Phoenix,
also have an office in Virginia.
Virginia.
Right.
That's
right.
basically it. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I know you guys well.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know Jim. I know
Yeah,
Dean.
okay,
I know Russell. I know. I mean,
right on. Yeah. I'm sure we partnered on something.
We had. In fact, we're working with you guys right now in Baltimore.
Okay.
Oh,
Is
okay.
that through Russell or is that the Virginia office or is that
Russell's really working on it because I
Okay,
think you
yeah,
guys
yeah.
are on like the lab piece of it.
Russell does the labs and then
Right.
that's our Virginia office. We're the police station, the public
Okay.
safety side. So
Cool.
yeah, because I'm like we don't have a project in
Cool.
Baltimore. I don't
We
think
had
that must be Russell.
we had lunch in Phoenix with Jim maybe
Okay.
I don't know 2 or 3 years ago.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ever in the office.
Yeah.
I see.
Whatnot, but you know we partner, we compete, we
Yeah, right,
you
of
know
course.
all of the things. But
Yeah.
I lead our national program,
Oh, cool.
and you know we have a strong team across the country. Daniel leads in the southeast,
Okay.
and Florida and so forth. Joanna is our sector leader in Chicago.
Okay.
Middle of
Nice.
the country. Ed is an experienced Justice Civic
cool.
designer here in Colorado, actually in Colorado Springs.
Oh, okay.
We have a Springs office and a Denver office.
Okay. Yeah.
We have like, I don't know, 36 offices or something like that.
Wow.
Yes, I think I've driven by your office in Phoenix a few times. Like,
Yeah.
It's like right on Central there. So
Yeah.
I think I've got a friend of a friend who works there.
Oh yeah, up on 24th.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
It's good to see you. Yeah.
Phoenix,
We do.
Phoenix, not
Yeah.
Jim's here
that is-
actually. Yeah, so Jim's here. He's over at
1084.
not too far that way.
1084, yeah.
Go
1084.
visit Jim at some point. We're headed to an event in a little bit.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah, great. Well, it's good to meet you guys.
Yeah, likewise.
All right. Thank you so much.
Likewise.
Sure.
Enjoy your time. Hello, sir. How are you? We are from MWL Architects.
Yes. Hi. How are you guys doing?
Great.
I know Jim. So
Yeah.
everyone knows Jim. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so we're close. I work real close with Jim and he's with Eric on
Yeah.
the other side of the training side
Oh,
of
good
things.
deal. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
How's it going? Busy?
Good. Are you GoPro in the conference?
Yeah, kind of just, interviewing people, and I have a YouTube channel,
Oh, cool.
so throwing things out to the audience for awareness and for education purpose, and to build competence and expertise in the AEC industry.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I think we could use a little more exposure and the specialization in what we do.
Okay,
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
so I have some question for you. So
Shoot, it's a cup, right?
I believe you've been in the industry of public safety architecture for a while, right?
Yes.
So what is the main challenge as a public safety specialist that you face in the industry?
That's what. That's
The challenge that you face as a specialist in the public safety architecture.
I'd say, most often is ensuring clients are exposed to what we do as specialists in this.
Okay.
And understand the difference between what we can do versus an architecture firm who might be very good at what they do.
I see.
But they do schools.
Okay.
Or they do hospitals,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And so I think, when it comes down to it, I think we'd all want to sit in a room, even if we're competing or teaming with whatever that looks like, with one another, who knows that if you don't get the job, they're in good hands, right?
Yeah.
And I think that's one of the biggest challenges I see, particularly right now, because I don't know, like where you get, like down in Arizona, right? Yeah. What it's like, there's the market sector for commercial office and a lot of this is very slow in the Seattle area. So, whereas there'd be 3 or 4 of us and submitting proposals, and the client only has so much time, right? The reviews. We're seeing like 10, 12 different proposals from all kinds of different things, and they still have to review them all, which means they spend less time reviewing the ones like our own. So I think that's an important factor.
Okay.
But it's not just it's usually it's not the chiefs or the end users, the clients that we're actually designing the building for.
Okay.
That's the ones who need to understand it. It's the policymakers, right?
I see.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Then another question is, do you guys do room criteria documentation? Do you do that?
Oh, sorry. Say again.
Room criteria documentation.
Room criteria?
Yes.
Like
do you do that?
Like
the data sheet for the specification, the ceiling, the floor, the walls, and all of those things.
Oh, as far as like when we design?
Yeah. When you do the DD and schematic.
So schematic. So we like a schedule kind of thing, or you?
No.
Just like an actual full specific, criteria sheet, spec'd out room.
Yeah. Excel sheets to put all of those
we don't
material together.
Yeah, if it's like room specific.
Yeah.
We don't do that necessarily.
Oh, okay.
We've seen it done. So I don't know if you guys do that.
Yeah, we do that.
Yeah, it's a lot of. I mean, it's one of those. I think it's really valuable.
Okay.
But at the same time, it's another deliverable.
Yeah.
Right.
Of course.
I don't know. So we've never.
Nobody actually reads.
So we've never got. We have our specification manual.
Okay.
That's customized to public safety. Right?
I see.
We do fire facilities also. So this is customized, and then we have our room scheduling, just like anybody else with door scheduling, those types of things.
Okay.
And how we put our drawings together. But during the programming phase, we do a fair amount of information during that portion.
Okay.
It doesn't inform the contractor at bidding, but it informs the design team and the client, so that when we actually put together our construction document, that information should be in there, right? Because they can go look at it and everyone agree to this room's going to get all these things. But we don't actually package it up and send it out to if that's what you're talking about.
Yeah. I got your point.
So there's a little different way we use it. Something similar to that, but I was thinking like a full spec package of that criteria would be interesting. Because that certainly removes some questions from the contractor. It's like, I didn't understand that, but
we'll do some specs. We do a lot of room data sheets for very specific, police specific stuff.
I can imagine. It's almost like we don't do hospital work, medical, but I would say it's like hospital planning. It's like this room is going to have these things, and you have to lay it out because you're like, well, we have this many fixtures on this side of the wall. This is where the piping needs to go. Everything else.
So I can see that you are like a consortium, right? You have structural engineering, civil, land use planning, and landscape architecture. So how does public safety fit into all of this? Because you are a consortium, come together of different firms, right?
Yeah. So
in one organization, right?
Yeah. So we consider ourselves a multidisciplinary firm.
Oh, okay.
So so it's not all individual businesses. It's individual departments or disciplines that work. Everything but MEP. Everything, because everyone's like, you guys have, except for that. It's very intentional.
Okay.
But in part, based on the different project types we do, particular to law enforcement, we have individuals within each of those disciplines that specialize in that type of work. So if it'd be the equivalent of calling up one or two of your favorite mechanical, electrical engineers and expecting that team that you've done the last 3 or 4 or 5 public safety facilities with, that they're not giving you a new team, right? You're like, oh, you gave us the K through 12 school team, and they'd never done one before. So we're in this. We operate very much the same way. So our structural engineers are familiar with Category 4 seismic design in our area. That's a code requirement for us. The same would go for our interior designers that are on those projects. understand the right finishes that we expect. They also do a lot of furniture design and facilitation. So
design furniture.
Well, not design. Some of it we do.
Layouts,
some of it we end up doing. But yeah, the furniture itself, right?
Okay.
That way you pick out the right stuff. It's like, oh yeah, someone who didn't know law enforcement picked out that chair.
Right.
So
chairs with the lawn.
yeah, right. I know exactly.
Yeah, that's great.
So
Great.
It's nice to, somebody in your office just walk over to them.
So I oversee our Seattle office. So we're a smaller office. So we have about 200 people across our 4 offices.
Okay.
And our Portland office is our headquarter office. So yeah, but it is nice. It's very different. It's like our structural engineers sit 20 feet from our architects, so they can hear each other, right? It's like our landscape or civil engineers and talking stuff. So
Question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of wait a week for a reply.
So
right.
another important question is, you said something that you do whole thing but except MEP. Why?
So 2 reasons.
Okay.
I think we all test like mechanical, electrical, plumbing engineers. While we love them to death, they are our highest risk exposure.
Yeah.
Right. If you're going to have a large significant claim, and hopefully you don't on projects, it's probably in that category.
Okay.
So from a business model perspective, we just said, you know what, we're not gonna absorb that, at least right now. We're not. There are larger firms, throughout the nation that
That's
have
because.
that. Yeah, but at the same time, we also have, if we have it all in house with that trade, it limits our partnerships because we do a lot of design build, and we'll be under some larger MEP firms, right? So having it in house would actually limit kind of our flexibility for that.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time, and I appreciate all the answers that you gave.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where are you guys located?
That's all right.
It's like a shell on our
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Great. We are from MWL Architects.
Yeah.
And we are walking around, and I saw that.
How are you?
Very nice to meet
Good
you.
to see you.
Likewise, Tom.
I can see you are into a lot of things: architecture, interior design, structural engineering. That's great. That's awesome.
yeah,
That's
so
great,
it's
You guys at a main office?
We're in Phoenix.
Here in Phoenix?
Yeah, we have
The public
office in
safety side.
Public safety
And then we
side?
have
Yes.
forensic sciences in
Yep.
Virginia.
In Virginia.
Virginia. Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys based out of Pennsylvania or?
East Coast.
Okay.
Into Pennsylvania.
Okay.
You guys, I think you guys are actually working with us again. We work on Baltimore City.
Oh, yeah, so we were just talking to some.
Multi-agency.
Yeah,
Come back
that would be
tomorrow,
our
yeah.
Virginia office.
Virginia
actually.
office.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Russell.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's
You guys are working.
Yeah, great.
Pat.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thomas here.
Peter. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
You guys out of Phoenix?
Yes.
Nice area.
Yeah, it's nice and warm out there.
Yeah. My mom and brother live there.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah.
Great. So I interview people because we are in the industry together, right? To understand the challenges that, people have been saying virtually the same thing. That when it comes to public safety architecture, the main challenge is funding.
Yep.
So now, my question to you is that how can the clients overcome this challenge? Because the issue is coming from the client side, right? They don't have so how can they overcome this challenge so that it can make life better for architects and professionals out there? Yes. How can they solve that? Because we need to be able to help them, right?
Well, there's different methods of solving the funding issue. I mean, you are seeing some government grants around. You're seeing, if you're close to a DOD base, you can petition federal for some DOD money.
Okay.
And what we're also seeing is people are starting to put a tax out there. I hate to say another tax, but they're putting public safety taxes on water meters, electric meter. Electric's a little tougher. They've been getting away with water meters, or just a general use tax.
I see. Okay. So that will help the government, right, to be able to have some reasonable amount of allocation for public safety architecture, right, like police station and the likes. Okay.
Geographic region is, I mean, also huge.
Yeah.
Okay.
You follow the money.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, when people where you see where I'm seeing like where, you know, population growth. It's not just police where you have entire infrastructure, communities being built. People are willing to spend the money.
Okay.
You know, that tax. It's the the rural areas and where people are moving out of are struggle.
Okay.
Where's the focus? We see some of these areas like in PA, just rural areas.
You got no money.
They got no money.
Yeah.
They don't have money for anything.
Right, right.
So whether it's public safety or just infrastructure,
Yeah. And then they don't want to pay more taxes.
they don't want to pay more taxes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for your time.
Good.
We are
Hi.
from MWL Architects.
Okay.
How are you?
Yeah,
okay. Hello, sir. How are you? How are you, sir?
Oh, good. How are you?
Yeah, great.
I'm
Nice
Peter.
to meet you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dewberry.
Recognize the name.
Yeah. So what are you out doing research on competitors?
That's right.
Oh, no. So now,
Like talking to other architects.
this is an independent thing. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, great.
And I work with MWL Architects.
Yeah.
So it interests me to interview
Okay.
fellow colleagues in the industry so that my audience can be aware of the challenges
Okay.
and the prospects in the industry.
Oh, I think that's great.
So as
Yeah, so Dewberry, I'm out of the Tulsa, Oklahoma office.
Oh, I see.
I'm business development. There are architects.
That's fine.
But we have offices in Elmhurst and Peoria. We're based in Virginia, but it's mainly public safety. We do hospitals, we do jails.
Okay.
We do education, K-12 higher education. Yeah.
I see. So now, from your experience, I believe you've been working with Dewberry for quite some time.
Yeah, several years.
So what is the main challenge that you guys face in public safety architecture?
Well, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be talking to somebody about this before
No. Reserve the confidentiality, right? But
It's just like in any architecture firm. I mean, it's, it's all about funding.
I see. This is something that people have been saying.
Exactly.
Because I've interviewed other people.
Yeah.
They said the same thing, and I'm
it takes
glad.
a long time to come up with money to do the big projects.
And I'm glad
that's the importance of it.
you
that
are
you work
also
from the beginning to the end.
Yes, I'm glad you're also saying the same thing because they also attest to that.
Yeah.
That's great.
Well,
That's
where's
awesome.
your booth? I'll come say hello to y'all.
So that is 1084.
Okay. Great.
1084. We are there.
Cool.
So you said you are also into hospital design, right?
Yes.
How does it come into public safety?
Yes, there's a lot of. I mean, when you get into the mental health aspect of it too.
Okay,
mental health.
Okay, mental health. So it's different from public safety.
Yeah, it can be medical and healthcare, and it's all in it.
Oh, let's check it out. A lot of stuff are happening here. Okay. He's on that one here. Hello, how you doing?
Architects. How you doing?
So we are from
we worked with you guys before.
MWL Architects.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good friends with Dean.
Where are you based?
Okay. He's retired now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sorry about it.
It's all good.
Yeah. You guys in Chicago or?
No, Connecticut.
Oh, okay. We're in the Phoenix office, so.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I work with Jim, he works with Eric, I don't know if you know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Nice.
Good? Not so bad. I mean, it's a little, I don't know, it feels a little later attended than years past, but
Still early.
it's been busy enough,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Mostly just here to just take our clients.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Say hello.
Yeah.
Oh, we're here still.
Yeah, how about you guys?
Same thing.
Yeah.
Just hanging out, seeing clients that we're working with now.
This is your first time coming?
This is my second time.
Second time?
This is my first time.
First time? How you liking it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah,
Curious. Not in public safety before.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm like, oh, okay.
This is
Brand new world.
It's a bit overwhelming sometimes. We had, because with it being in Boston last year, so we brought a bunch of the junior staff who never get to come to this and see it. And they're like,
really?
"Wow, this is crazy."
Okay, so can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Just for the sake of my audience. So, what is the most challenging part of being a public safety architect, if I may ask you?
Getting the funding approved.
Oh, yeah.
Getting the project approved and funded.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
From the client side.
Always, yeah. That's always a challenge, getting the public to support it, especially now with how expensive construction costs are.
Okay.
You know, when you're dealing with building committees that are house contractors and are not in like public construction, they're like, we do pre-engineered metal buildings for $150 a square foot all day long, and I'm like, well, this is $1,400 a square foot. It's a whole nother ballpark, and they're like, why?
Okay.
This. And convincing the public and getting them to understand that is always a challenge.
Okay, thank you for that. I appreciate that. Then another question is, for room criteria documentation, right? So what challenge do you face when you present the room criteria documentation to the clients?
I don't normally have a lot of challenges with that.
Okay.
You know?
They are pretty good with the specification that you make and all of those things.
Yeah. As long as, you know, it's an open and transparent process.
Oh, okay, I see.
You know, and you support it with data and so, yeah.
Nice. Thanks for meeting you. So once again, what is your name so that they can...
Matt Salad.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, we'll catch you around.
Yeah, absolutely. Have a good rest of the show.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Yeah.
Architects.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
We're MWL over there.
I gathered from the shirts.
Yep.
That you kind of stand out there.
Okay.
Yeah, how you guys doing?
Good.
Busy?
Very.
Yeah.
Great. I love that. That is the language I love to hear.
Real world.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
Nice.
Business is booming.
Yes, it is.
Always busy. Always got something going on. Yeah. You guys are in Dallas. Brinkley, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Dallas.
Yeah. I work with Jim closely over at MWL. McLaren, so.
Okay. Nice. Great. This is the fourth architectural firm we'll be seeing here today.
Yeah.
The fourth one.
There's at least a dozen.
Yeah.
A dozen?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I mean, this row, there's 4 of us.
Oh, really? Yeah, we saw Tecton down there.
Oh, the BRW is right down there.
Okay. I think we ran into
So
some
that makes
people.
5 on this row.
Oh, yeah, okay. How's it going? So, I normally ask people a question. What is the most challenging aspect of public safety, being a public safety architect, from your experience?
Getting the job.
Yeah.
Okay, getting the job, okay.
Now that there's more of you people out there trying to get our work.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's the only work that seems
That is
to
the
be
most challenging
actually
aspect.
working.
Okay. So,
Nobody's building anything else.
second one is regarding room documents, room criteria documentation. What challenges do you have regarding that, especially when you present that to the clients or to the prime architects? What is the main concern that you always get?
I think we do that differently than everybody else because we don't do like standard room data sheets and stuff. We spend a very long time in DD.
Oh, DD. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Great.
Man, those room data sheets.
I appreciate that. Thank you for your time.
Sure.
Love it. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. Good to meet you.
Yeah.